In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in on the Royal Caribbean app. To get started, of course, make sure that you already have the app downloaded on your phone. Then next, of course, head over and run the app. From here, make sure that you're logged in with the email you used to book your cruise. Make sure your booking is confirmed and paid. Now from the app, head over to My Trips. You can see this at the bottom corner of your screen. Now from here, just select your cruise sailing if available. This then opens up your booking details where you can start the check-in process. You might need to also fill out information such as passenger details and travel information such as flight, transportation, and more. You might also need to have your onboard account set up for credit card purchases and just make sure that you confirm that all the information are correct. After your submission, your set sail pass is generated in the app, and this is your digital boarding pass. You can save it on your phone or print it if you prefer. And from there, just show your set sail pass at the terminal along with your ID or passport. And that's it. You're checked in and ready to board. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!